Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for language learning resources business easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So uh, the topic, you can choose the topic from here. Okay, so if the topic isn't here, you can choose just all templates. You can select all templates. Okay, and the type, it might be courses and also services. Okay, now you can choose one of these templates here. You can start with one of these, and also you can build your own templates. So let's get started from here and let's go. Here you can choose the you can enter your business name, and here you can build your own templates. So here you have to build your homepage section by section, add in as many or as few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section. So you have to try your best to make your site looks better and attractive, to pull and attract more people and more customers. You can do anything to make your site looks better. Okay, and let's move on. So add page to your site. Choose any color you match with your business, any color you like. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this. Here choose the fonts, choose any fonts. Now wait a few seconds. Here you can continue and describe your website and other details about your website and choose the writing style. Or if you wanna just skip this, okay, I'm gonna skip from here. I'm gonna skip this. Now wait a few seconds. So here you can edit your website homepage. So click here, edit, and the first thing here you have to change this text here to introduce your site or your brand. Okay, you can type, for example, welcome. You can type anything. Just for example, you can type welcome to our site, for language learning resources. Okay, and now after this you go to the section and go to the background. You can select one of these template one of these arts here, and also you can use image as a background. Okay, go to the premium image and search on language learning resources. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this. Okay, and after this you can change the text on this button here. Here you can move this section, you can move it down or move it up, you can save it, and also you can duplicate it from here, and you can add this section on your homepage. You can add any section you like. So click add section, you can select what kind of sections you can add on your homepage. And Also, you can add on your section image or video or button or whatever you like. Now let's move on to the site header. So here you can change the site title and the logo. You can upload your logo image as a file or select from library. And also you can add the mobile logo image. Okay, now let's move on to the next section. So here you have first to change the wave intensity and the text size like this. Now let's move on. Here first you have to delete this image and add another one. Okay, so put it here first. Okay, I need something just simple image. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. Use this space to talk about your shop and your products, how and where are they made, and what makes them unique. So before this, you can change from paragraph 2 to heading 4. Okay, to make the topic and the text more attractive. And after this, you can change the topic. And now go to the background, and you don't have to add image as a background, just a simple art. It's much better. Okay, like this. Now let's move on. Also here the same thing, just a simple art. And also here, so first you can change the contents, the items here. Okay, so here you can add your link of your Instagram account or wherever you like. Now let's move on to the next. So here instead of this image you can add a map, for example. So click here and put the map here, and you can change the address. You can add your address and your business name, the city and the state and the country, and also you can change the design of the map. Okay, and in the background just a simple art. Okay, like this. It's much better. Okay, now let's move on to the next. This is the last section, the footer section. Also just a simple art. And after you're done from designing your website, you can go to the selling section and choose add the product to your inventory and customize the price and the product, and add the description about your product, and add the way to get paid, and choose the subscription plan. And the last step is publish your website and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.